Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to create Google account on Poco C65 easily. Okay guys, for those of you who has a new phone, you have to create a Google account for your phone so that you can run your feature well on your cell phone. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started the tutorial. And first thing first that you have to do is you can go to setting menu on your phone like this. So yeah, now we can scroll down till the bottom and then you can find about account and sync. And then now you can click add account and choose for Google. And you can wait for a while. And then here you can click for create account and you can choose either for my personal use, for my child, for work or my business, and I will choose for a personal one. And then you can enter your name and then click next. And then now you can enter your basic information like your birthday or gender, and this is I will enter randomly. And then now click next. So here we can choose our email address and I will make my own address guys. And then click next. So now we can create a strong password guys. And you can create a strong password with a mix of letter, number, and symbols. And here you can choose either you can add your number phone or not, and I will skip this one. And then here the review of your account info. And then you can click next and agree all of privacy and terms. And after that you can wait for a second until the process is done guys. So yeah, you can accept this and the Google account has been created. You can see. So yeah, here's the Google account. Okay guys, so here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching.